morning, students. This is chapter 11, Transportation of Material in Plants and Animals. Last part, it is part 11. Chapter is also 11, part is also 11. Today we will learn about excretion in plants. In the last class, we studied about transportation in plants through xylem and through phloem. Today we will learn about excretion in plants, how plants also excrete. Chief excretory product in green plants are carbon dioxide and water, produced as a result of respiration. We all know food is break down with the help of oxygen and carbon dioxide and water is released. In green plants, carbon dioxide released during respiration gets utilized during photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide which is produced or released in respiration is used up in photosynthesis. Oxygen is a byproduct generally generated during photosynthesis. Oxygen is released in photosynthesis and exits through stomata. All the gases exits through stomata, root, cell walls and other roots, but mostly by stomata. Plants can get rid of excess water by transpiration through the stomata. The leaf, the primary organ of photosynthesis. The main organ for photosynthesis is also used as a method of excretory toxic waste via diffusion. We can say diffusion is a common word because every cell takes either food or gas or anything through diffusion. So, leaves are considered the most important organ of the plant body. Okay. Other waste material that are excreted or excluded by some plants. Some other things are also excreted, but they are beneficial for us. So, some of them we use. Resin, saps, latex. Latex means थोड़ा लसलसा सा होता है. Gum, you can say gum. Rubber, lac, etc. Caffeine in tea and coffee and quinine used as medicine for malaria, all are excretory product of plant. Amber pine resins. A bowl from rubber tree filled with latex. इसको ऐसे कट कर दिया जाता है, नीचे में एक ना बोल लगा दिया जाता है, उसमें वो कलेक्ट हो जाता है. फिर जब वो भर जाता है तो हम उसमें उसको चेंज कर देते हैं, दूसरा लगा देते हैं, इसको निकाल लेते हैं. Now activity. To observe the process of transpiration in leaves of plants. You can do it also. Take a pot, planted pot, गमला ले लो और फिर इसको बाहर में ना एक पॉलिथीन से उसको बांध देना रहता है, एकदम खूब अच्छे से बांध दो. नेक्स्ट डे you will see a small tiny droplets inside the polythene. वो कहाँ से आया? That is excreted or you can expelled by plant, by stomata. ठीक है, प्लांट से वो निकला और चूंकि उसको पॉलिथीन है ना तो बाहर नहीं निकल सकता, तो अंदर में ड्रॉप्स जमा हो जाता है. लाइव पॉटेड प्लांट, प्लास्टिक बैग एंड यार्न, धागा उसको नीचे से बांधने के लिए ताकि वो नीचे से निकल नहीं जाए. प्रोसीड्यूर. Tie the plastic bag to a part of a stem of a healthy potted plant with the help of a thread or a yarn. Keep it in sunlight for 2-3 days. Note your observation in your notebook. What you observed? Water droplets in the plastic bag must have appeared due to transpiration. since there is no other source of water inside the bag. पानी अंदर कहाँ से आएगा? There is no other source. So they must have come out from stomata and by the process of transpiration. Now, key words. These are the definitions you have to learn. Diffusion. The simple process by which a substance moves from an area of higher concentration to lower concentration. Just remember this. Diffusion occurs from higher concentration to lower to the area of lower concentration. Circulatory system. The system that circulates blood through the body. Circulates और circulatory system में एक word आता है that is circle. So there is a circle of movement, transportation. Blood, the vehicle that carries everything around in our body and ensures that they reach their right destination. Right, मतलब जिसको जहां पहुंचना है वहीं वो पहुंचाता है blood. Plasma, the liquid component of blood. Everything is moving, carrying by the plasma. Valve, one-way door inside the heart or major blood vessels that permit the movement of blood in a one direction, single direction. Blood vessels, the railroad through which blood travels. The pipe inside our body through which blood travels are called blood vessels. Artery, blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. Heart से बाहर निकलता है to distribute to each and every cell of our body. Veins, blood carries, deoxygenated blood is carried by veins, blood vessels that carry blood into the heart फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. बॉडी से लेके हार्ट पहुंचता है और आर्टरी का क्या काम है? हार्ट से पूरे बॉडी में जाता है. ओके. कैपिलरीज, स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट. ब्लड वेसल्स थ्रू विच चेंज ऑफ मटेरियल अकर थ्रू द थिन वॉल्स. यहीं पर जो है प्योर ब्लड और इम्प्योर ब्लड जो है आपस में एक्सचेंज करता है. हार्ट बीट, रेगुलर मूवमेंट ऑफ योर हार्ट एज इट पंप्स ब्लड अराउंड द बॉडी. Excretory system, the complex system of organ that carry out the process of removal of waste product. The process of removal of waste product in the cell of the living organism. Nephron, smallest unit in the kidney used to separate water. It is just like a filter. Separate water, ions and some small molecules from the blood, filter out waste and toxins. Vascular tissue, complex conducting tissue formed or more than one cell type found in a vascular plant. Primary component of vascular tissue are xylem, transport water, and phloem transports food. Transpiration, the process where plant absorb water through the root and then give off water vapor through pores or through stomata in their leaves. Okay. This is for recall just what you have learned in the whole chapter. To survive everything, every living cell in the body needs a constant supply of oxygen and food, and to have expel carbon dioxide and other waste removed. These functions are carried out by the circulatory system and excretory system of the body. The circulatory system which circulates blood in the body consists of components. ये सब पढ़ा चुके हैं, that's why I am not repeating. Consists of components like blood, heart, containing valve and blood vessels, veins, arteries and capillaries. Blood in turn consists of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. सबका अलग अलग दिखा रहा है तुम लोग को. The excretory system, which help get rid of waste, consists of kidney, urinary bladder, ureter, urethra, and renal veins and arteries. Other excretory organ, skin, lungs, and liver. Vascular plant have complex vascular tissue. They are xylem and phloem to transport water and food respectively. Respectively means xylem for water and phloem for food. Plant get rid of excess water by the process of transpiration. Okay, now the chapter completes. But we are here to solve any your problem, any of your confusion. Ask me in the class. I will tell you everything, any confusion. Thank you so much for watching all the videos.